Meet the latest updates in REDtoolbox 3.5 and learn how to use them efficiently. First, let's take a look at the changelog. As you can see, a lot has happened. For example, we added a base station navigation file downloader, very useful if you're missing nav files. We also improved fixed solution processing, especially for the latest generation of fast-flying drones. In the user interface, we added statistics, maps, and many smaller improvements that give you better insight into your flight. We expanded device support, including DJI L3 and the M400 platform, and enhanced output generation. To demonstrate these updates, I'm using a DJI L3 dataset we recorded during a low-speed test flight. You'll see later why low speed matters. The dataset includes the drone data photos and related files, as well as base station data. For the base station, the nav file is missing. Let's select the correct device. You can see the L3 sensor and M400 platform, and we also recently added support for Skydio X10, well known for its innovative collision avoidance navigation. We'll soon add Sentera sensors and drones as well, so stay tuned for upcoming releases. For now, we'll continue with the L3 dataset. Using the automatic project search feature and pointing it to the directory, REDtoolbox automatically finds, collects, and imports all required data. In the Images tab, you can see the number of photos, thumbnails, and flight statistics. In the Rover tab, notice the flight speed. This is why I mentioned the low-speed test earlier. In many real flights, you'll typically see values closer to 10 meters per second. In the Base Station tab, you can see that the base station observation file was imported and the time span is displayed. The navigation file is missing, so I choose Download Nav from IGS server. Two important things to mention. This requires an active internet connection. These files are usually available the day after the flight. The downloaded file has global coverage and supports multiple constellations, including GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, and SBAS. It is valid for 24 hours in UTC. The file is downloaded to the project root folder. And just to be clear, it does not replace the REDcatch observation file. It's simply a shortcut to obtain navigation files. For short observation sessions with local base stations, this is often a very practical option. For output, choose the settings that match your workflow. For this demo, I'll use the Metashape output since we enhanced it in this release. Now let's press Run and start PPK processing. The bars show the number of fixed and float solutions. Float solutions can occur at the beginning in very fast terrain following flights, sometimes during the mission, so avoid flying too fast in terrain follow mode. After PPK processing, the view switches to the map, where you can see the corrected trajectory. Green indicates fixed solutions. Output folder, you'll see the generated files. When opening the Metashape project, you can see that 2 camera rig information from the L3 sensor is now available in camera calibration. And we also made improvements for single camera platforms. For many users, the standard output is still the raw TXT file. It contains essential information and can be read by many software packages. Thank you for watching. Enjoy REDtoolbox 3.5, and see you next time.